Now, what does this mean to us? Well, why don't we learn how to work with scalar energy, and why don't we assemble water for our crops, for landscaping? In other words, if you can see how quickly water could compromise a building and how we could create water by way of scalar energy. If an earthquake can create an abundance of water, then why can't we control scalar energy and create water? All you have to do is assemble hydrogen and oxygen. Now imagine what that means. You know, water is in short supply. If we can master scalar energy, we can take superabundant hydrogen and oxygen, combine it into H2O, water, and we could create all the water we want. We would not have to drill for water. We could eventually irrigate our crops by way of a scalar energy instrument to create water.